It is our honor to welcome you to the upcoming 8th Annual SWAAC ELSO Conference to be hosted in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia from 27th and 28th of February 2022. It is one of the prestigious international conferences of extracorporeal life support medicine, where international figures and experts meet to discuss the updated science, share their experience, and develop mutual relationship in this field. Our great organizing team has considered all the future possibilities, and our conference will be hybrid to have the biggest participation. And our conference will be a hybrid to have the biggest participation. 2. On-site participation will benefit from the most high level of interaction and will get the opportunity to chat in person with the speakers, chairpersons, and other attendees. Remote participation offers participants to attend through the virtual platform. As part of the hybrid registration, delegates will have access to our virtual platform. To get started, kindly follow the steps for a quick and easy process of virtual platform sign-in. Open the link provided on the registration email sent to you prior, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password provided to you on your received registration email. In case you have forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and you will receive an email to reset your password. In case you have not registered yet, kindly click on the button for Register Now. Lobby. Once you have signed in, you will be directed to the main lobby. This will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. While zooming in all tabs, you can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs located at the upper side of your dashboard without any hassle or long walks. Auditorium. Here in the auditorium, you will attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Agenda. You will find the agenda according to the hall. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session, and down here is a button where you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified. Exhibit Hall. In this unique virtual exhibition hall, our industry partners will showcase the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies. Even the booth is designed to look realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box and you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You will also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Information Desk. Here in the Information Desk, type your questions and get your answers in real time from our online representatives. Speakers Lounge. This lounge is only dedicated for the speakers and moderators. Networking Lounge. Lastly, the Networking Lounge is dedicated for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants.